and it's going to read The Lazy Pig. Okay.
The lazy pig. What is up? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Oh, that's a book. That's a cow.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah, when Evelyn finishes the book.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up. The sun is up. I am up, said the... Oh. I am up, said the... Cow. Moo, 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 moo. I am up. I am up, said
In a
the
minute.
sheep. Ba, 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 ba. I am up. I am asleep, said the lazy pig.
Ah.
Wake up, lazy pig, said the farmer. Here I come, here, oh, I am up, said the lazy pig. I am hungry.
Oh, he was hungry all along, wasn't he? What a good job.
The end.
The end. Oh, The Lazy Pig, that's one of my favorites.